So I'm here to tell you a little story about my forklift. So I had thought that I had a hydraulic leak because there was oil underneath the forklift. And it wasn't that big of a deal. Well, it turns out it wasn't hydraulic fluid, it was engine oil. So the little plastic line that went to the oil gauge broke. And not really to my knowledge. I looked underneath, I could kind of see where the oil was coming from. Yeah, well, it turns out I actually ran it all the way out of oil. And the gauge quit working. So in my head, I was like, oh, well, maybe my gauge is bad. Yeah, no, didn't have oil pressure. My light that I use for filming burnt out. But anyways, I had to pull the distributor because even once I verified that the old line was broke and refilled the engine with oil, and I would start it and run it, guess what? No oil was coming out of the short sectional line that I cut. So I ended up pulling the distributor and making my own priming tool and hooked it to an impact. And I didn't take video of this, I should have, but you know, things happen. And got oil pressure again, and then I went and got a copper line this time. And the copper line is kind of where it's going to be for now. I gotta shorten it down the road, but I figured I'd show you guys what was going on. And I don't think it totally destroyed the engine. It does run better now, and I think it's because I advanced the timing a little bit, but I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up and get after it, and soon we'll do a video on the wiring. So ta-ta for now, and if you want to subscribe, love to have you here. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.